This video is going to show you just how quick and simple it is to install the Reese STEADi Flex weight distribution system with integrated sway control. Starting off with a level trailer, we will first pre-assemble the T-bar and adjustable frame bracket to a preset height based on your trailer frame. Next, locate the adjustable frame bracket on the A-frame in the range of 27 to 32 inches from the ball center. Do the same for the other side. Tighten, torque to spec, and open the spring bar cover. The next step will be to set the ball height and head tilt. The height adjustment is made easier with an additional 2.5 inches of drop or rise in the shank. The tilt is made easier by once again using presets to set the angle. Tighten and torque head bolts to spec. After tightening head, secure the head adjustment bolt with a hammer and screwdriver. Lower the jack to raise the trailer, then hook the trailer to the tow vehicle and latch the coupler. Now simply install the spring bars in the head using a simple pin and clip design. Lower the trailer jack to raise the trailer until it's high enough that you can position the spring bars on the friction material of the adjustment brackets with minimal effort. Close and pin the spring bar covers. Retract jack, raise the foot plate and pin in place. Hook up your safety chains, wiring, and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching.